Bing. We've got our pro suite. This is our entrance way. Got the thing here. It's a big, huge window. It's pretty cool, so I gotta back it up. God. All the way.
Ah, my stomach.
We ate a lot.
Shabu-shabu 食べた。見て。
It's a really big room. Got a little couch and sitting area and coffee area. And the bathroom is crazy too. Ooh. Big sink. Toilet. Really nice toilet. Wonderful bathrobes. Big mirror here. And then the bathroom here. The shower. And tub area. Go sit next to the tub so you can see how big it is. It's crazy, right? And there's a TV in there. Okay. There's a TV over here.
Be in it then.
Yeah, get in there. Oh. Oh my gosh, it's huge. How nice.
How nice.
Yeah.
So nice.
Turn on the TV. Is that TV?
TV.
Does it work?
Oh.
Whoa, that's crazy.
お待ちください。
A little blow dryer. And some stuffs over here. We've got shaving cream, hairbrush, toothbrush, razor, some bubbles, bubble bath. We're sitting over here. A little fridge area. Big old window. And hold on, you can see the city from over there.
Can I film you?
Mate. I don't know if you can see it, but it's sky trees over here. Oh, where is it? Oh, it's over there. Yokohama. Over there. You can just see that big building right there is the tall and everything. Here you've got all the stuff. You got the kids playing around over there. Cute. Battery's gonna die. Bye.
Bye.